Philippine Basketball Association commits to fully support the formation of the Philippine national team that will participate in the wildcard Olympic qualifying tournament on July 5 to 10, 2016, and further agrees as follows. The PBA shall make available to the Philippine national team the services of the PBA players who may be selected by the SBP to train for and participate in the Olympic qualifying tournament, provided that the PBA and SBP, through an ad hoc committee, shall help each other in ensuring the participation of the individual players in the national team. The ad hoc committee shall be composed of PBA Governors Al Francis Chua, Patrick Gregorio, Attorney Mamerto Mondragon, and Commissioner Chito First, Junmar Fajardo, Marcio Lassiter, Japet Aguilar, L.A. Tenorio, Greg Slater, Alvin Abueva, Jeff Chan, Oli, Gabe Norwood, Jason Castro, Ranidel de Ocampo, Matt Januelas Roser, Ryan Reyes, Mark Pingris, Ian Sangalang, Terence Romeo, and Troy Rosario, depending on player eligibility and the final choice of the national coach. The SPP shall name a final lineup of 12 players to include the naturalized player by the end of January 2016, provided that the players who are not chosen shall still be included in the Philippine delegation that will be sent to the qualifying tournament. The PBA agrees to adjust its calendar for the 41st season to accommodate the participation of the PBA players in qualifying tournament, specifically by adjusting the PBA third conference, which shall start after the end of the qualifying tournament on July 10, 2016. The PBA shall allow the PBA players so selected to attend practice sessions once a week, specifically every Monday for 28 weeks, starting on November 2015.